Hi everybody, I wanted to show you guys something with the bobbin here. A lot of people are confused on why your bobbin thread keeps getting snagged inside the bobbin, or it doesn't seem like it is coming out very easily. Now, if you reset your tension on your sewing machine itself, that is not going to reset the tension on your actual bobbin. So what I wanted to show you is this one here. So it's real tight, it doesn't want to pull out of there, and so on your bobbin case you'll see there is a little screw, righty tighty lefty loosey. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver and just loosen that up a little bit. Now you don't need to go all the way around, just maybe a millimeter. And so when you take this, you can tell that it's coming out much easier. Now that's still too tight for me, so I'm going to turn that a little bit more, and now it's pulling out real gently. So again, check your bobbin case if you are getting a knot, or if it seems like it's not pulling out very easily, especially when you're done sewing and you pull it out from the bottom there and you're trying to just cut the string or cut the thread when you're done sewing. So check that. If all else fails, if you keep having to readjust that screw in your bobbin case, it's probably time just to get a new bobbin case. So that's it for today. Thanks.